coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WYVB-TV serves the Western New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Around here, and we hope you are as well. Great way to start off the week.
Absolutely.
Not bad at all, and it looks pretty decent outside. I know last week when I was doing some weather and Brad was helping me, we were doing some weather back and forth and kind of helping out while you were going. See, it took two of us really to replace Stacy. That's what I'm really getting at. But no, the fact is that it doesn't look bad out there this morning. It's quite warm.
Absolutely.
I didn't need a jacket for like the first time in a long time.
This station is testing its emergency alert system. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings and information important to your safety. If this had been an actual emergency, an official warning or alert information would have followed the attention signal you just heard. This station serves the tri-state operational area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Some snow just to the north of us, so
not
exactly for right here, but
anyway,
you
hey.
really are.
Biore Skincare. Face anything.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed an alert tone.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
1:30 p.m. It's the Upsidey Talk, and this might win a prize.
Log on to WBNX.com to find out about this week's show.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
We know diamonds. Together, we'll make this Mother's Day one.
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
stations and cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. The Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Over. Tony, dude, I couldn't even hear your bass at all.
Oh, my amp is off.
Test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.